Our planet is an amazing place, full of surprises, unexpected adventures, and sometimes places that make you question everything. These curious corners of the world draw us in. They make us think. They remind us that reality is often stranger than fiction. Today, our journey takes us to India, a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and deep spirituality. We're going to Ahmedabad, a bustling city in the state of Gujarat. But we're not here for the usual tourist attractions. We're here for something truly unique. We're dining with the dead. Stepping into the new Lucky restaurant is an experience unlike any other. Imagine this. You walk through the doors, the aroma of spices hitting you first. Then you see it. Scattered throughout the restaurant, nestled between tables and chairs, are graves. Not hidden away, but embraced. These aren't just any graves. They belong to Sufi saints, revered for their wisdom and piety. The restaurant's founder, Krishnan Kutty, believed they brought good luck, and so he built his restaurant around them. The graves are painted green, a symbol of prosperity in Islam. Fresh flowers adorn them daily. Incense sticks release fragrant smoke, a sign of respect and reverence. The atmosphere is surprisingly peaceful, not eerie or morbid as you might expect. In many cultures, death is a taboo subject, something to be feared and avoided. But in India, the line between the living and the departed is often blurred. Death is seen as a part of life, not the end of it. This belief is woven into the fabric of Indian society. It's reflected in their festivals, rituals, and even their cuisine. At the new Lucky restaurant, this unique relationship with death is on full display. Locals believe that dining alongside the saints brings good fortune. They come here for a taste of their famous chai, for a plate of bun maska, and for the blessings of the departed souls. The new Lucky restaurant has been serving customers for over 70 years. It's a testament to the founder's vision and the family's commitment to honoring the past. Today, the restaurant is run by Krishnan Kutty's grandson, who takes pride in upholding his grandfather's legacy. My grandfather believed that these graves brought good luck, he explains. He taught us to respect them, to treat them as our guests. And that's exactly what they do. Every morning, the staff meticulously cleans the graves, offers fresh flowers, and lights incense sticks. The family's respect for the departed is palpable. It's not just a business strategy, but a way of life. And this reverence is contagious. Diners instinctively lower their voices, their demeanor respectful. The atmosphere is one of quiet reverence, a far cry from the usual hustle and bustle of a busy restaurant. Dining at the new Lucky restaurant is an immersive cultural experience. It's a chance to witness firsthand the unique relationship between life, death, and spirituality in India. For many locals, a visit to the restaurant is a ritual. They come here to seek blessings for important events, a new job, a wedding, the birth of a child. They whisper their prayers, offer sweets at the graves, and hope for the best. It's a fascinating blend of faith, superstition, and everyday life. The restaurant staff, accustomed to this unique dining experience, navigate the space with grace. They move between tables and graves with ease, serving chai and parathas as if it were the most natural thing in the world. The new Lucky restaurant is more than just a place to eat. It's a cultural phenomenon, a testament to the power of belief. A place where life and death coexist, not in conflict, but in harmony. It's a reminder that the world is full of wonders, if only we open our minds and hearts to them. So the next time you're in Ahmedabad, take a detour from the ordinary. Step into the new Lucky restaurant. Have a meal, soak in the atmosphere, and experience a side of India that is both fascinating and unforgettable. That's all for today. See you in the next episode of Mythical Quest Voyager.